The architectures are converging very similarly. It's typically a very high-speed access network. In the case of telco companies, they're going to G.fast and fiber. And we typically build products like our MVG 899, which does both fiber and DSL on the same device with SFPs that plug in. We're moving towards next generation GPON solutions for telcos, and all that stuff is converging then on a residential gateway with a high spec for both Wi-Fi and other LAN technologies. No different in the cable space. The cable companies have the advantage over telco in terms of the speed of the coax network, although G.fast on the DSL network is improving somewhat, shorter loops on the coax side on telco networks. But in the case of the cable network, we've already delivered 24 and 32 channels of DOCSIS 3.0, which means a gigabit plus of service to a specific CPE device. And with 3.1 then we're going to blow that out even further. But there is a push as well to greenfield opportunities in the cable space to all fiber. And again, Arris are developing products that not only span the RF side of the cable coax, but also into the optical space as more and more of our gateways allow both access networks. But essentially the telco and the cable devices equalize on the LAN side. They all want the best possible Wi-Fi. They all want to present wired connections into the home for extenders. In the case of the cable networks and some telco networks, they use MoCA quite heavily in the US. Other technologies that we brought to market are G.hn for Powerline. And even using structured cabling like Cat5 or Cat6 can be also used. So from a MIPS perspective, from a processing perspective, building a residential gateway that does gigabit level of processing, gigabit level of Wi-Fi, and the ability to extend Wi-Fi in the home is common across telco and cable networks.